So welcome guys to another video, and in this one we will try to refurbish this Siemens phone. It is a C75 and it is a limited edition Ronaldo. This is find from a flea market for it is actually now a few months, and you can see it is very dirty phone, so I will try to clean it and refurbish it as much as I can. I did an unboxing of this phone from a flea market where I bought a few phones that were interesting. So if you are interested in that, please go to my channel and look that video. So let's start with disassembly. So all of this is going to clean soapy water, and the reason I'm not cleaning these plastics in water because of this antenna, and I just don't want to risk it. I will clean it dry. And this phone actually has non-working this top button, and I will try to clean contacts that are these, and also on a phone these, so you can see how much dirt it was built up in this phone. Also I will try to clean this, so I will show you later results. Okay, now that we have all cleaned, it's time to assemble this phone and see the final result. I think this one will be great looking phone when it is assembled. So let's start. So here it is, fully cleaned Siemens C75. So let's see, will this top button work? I hope that it will. Yes, it works now. And that's awesome. So this phone is now fully working and it is fully cleaned. I will give you a few close-up shots now, and with that we will end this video. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up.